Hello everyone, this is Neha Delan. I am an alumni of Meerut Institute of Engineering and Technology. I have done my graduation, that is BSc in microbiology, and my post graduation MSc in microbiology from MIT itself from 2014 till 2019, and I have during this tenure I have bagged the title of topper of the university in my graduation, and also during my post graduation I have become bagged a position amongst the toppers of the university. And further I went forward for my research studies and wrote an entrance exam of university for MPhil, and bagged first position in that. And currently I am pursuing my MPhil in microbiology from CCS University. So about this webinar, I would be discussing over here the scope of microbiology in academics sector, and how you can go for your research studies in the microbiology. So looking forward for the webinar, and at last I would like to thank the whole department for providing me with the opportunity so that I can share my opinion and my experience regarding the scope of microbiology in the current era and in the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude toward my teachers for giving me this opportunity of interacting with you all. And I am feeling immensely proud to tell you all that I am the alumni of this department. I have completed my graduation in microbiology from here, and from here my department of biotechnology and microbiology MIT, and I am currently pursuing my post graduation in microbiology from Gurukul Kangri Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar. I would like to tell you all that microbiology is a very interesting subject, and since the corona pandemic, the interest in this subject is sparked even more. The career opportunities in this field are vast. Microbiology is more of a practical subject. You need a basic practical skill set in this subject. Theory matters, no doubt, but it's the practical knowledge, the skill that matter most. And during my 3 year of coursework,
Hello everyone, I am Shivam Gupta. I am working as clinical embryologist at Nova IVF Fertility Bangalore. Nova IVF Fertility is a fertility clinic having 25 centers in 18 plus cities. I did my graduation in microbiology from Meerut Institute of Engineering and Technology, and then completed my masters in clinical embryology and pre-implantation genetics from Asia Pacific Institute of Embryology. Today I would like to share my views like what can be done after 12th. See, there are plenty of courses available other than MBBS and BDS. If you don't want to be a doctor, then you can choose or you can go for life science courses. For example, biotechnology, microbiology, virology, botany, zoology, biochemistry, and many more courses. The important thing is you should have to choose your goal and you have to work on it just to pursue your goal or just to achieve your goal.
Hi, I'm Nishan Hama. I studied in MIT College. I pursued my MSc Biotechnology from 2012 to 2014 batch. Before completion of my post graduation, I got selected for the job as an assistant managing editor in Omics Publishing Private Limited. I got college placement and joined my job in Hyderabad. I learned a lot of new things in my job and successfully completed my tenure of 4 years in the two different companies. As per the thoughts and the known things, I enjoyed my college life by scoring the successfully marks and selected for the job. After the hard work in my companies, I decided to start my own venture. So I decided
Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Garg. I'm currently running my own educational institute, that is Brain Biology, where I used to teach biology to the class 11th and 12th standard students. I did my masters in microbiology from MIT Meerut. I did my bachelor's in microbiology from MIT Meerut as well. For class 11 student, I just want to give a single tip. Is just to read NCERT book very much thoroughly, and then you can switch to any other reference book and the practice MCQ books. For class 12 student, I just want to say a single tip to them. Please give a chance and explore other career opportunities rather than being a doctor and a NEET aspirant. All the best to all the students, and thank you so much.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Dr. Saurabh Singh. I completed my BSc Microbiology from MIT CSIS department in 2014-17 batch. Then I qualified the UPC PET exam and got the medical seat. Currently, I am the owner of a diagnostic center having path lab, digital X-ray, ECG. Along with, I am also the owner of Derma School, in which I basically teach about the skin specialty. Guys, I am joining this webinar of MIT on 5th of June to discuss about the entrepreneurship program along with the scopes of microbiology कि कैसे आप माइक्रो करने के बाद या इजीली माइक्रो के साथ साथ या बायोटेक के साथ साथ इजीली आप अर्निंग के आपके पास अपनी स्किल्स डेवलप कर सकते हैं, अर्निंग कर सकते हैं. And in the last, I would like to thank basically MIT CSIS department for this valuable platform. Thank you so much, MIT CSIS.
Hello friends, myself Ayushi Chaudhary, one of the alumni of MIT CSIS program of batch 2018. I did my bachelor's as well as master's in biotechnology. Friends, I would like to say that if you have a skills and focus on your studies, MIT will definitely give you a good platform to perform. As I am working of ICR, Central Institute Research for Cattle, Meerut. Lastly, I would like to thanks to all my teachers who help in many ways so that I can give my best. Thank you.